Do you want an efficient and ecological solution for your pond? Discover the POPOSOAP 40W Solar Fountain Pump. Includes 40W solar panel, 580 GPH pump and filter box, fountain kit with nozzles and diverter valve, PVC tube, filter pads and bio balls. This 320 GPH solar pond pump has an adjustable flow and built-in filter to keep your pond, pool or waterfall in perfect condition. Main features: eco-friendly filter kit, perfect for purifying and oxygenating fish ponds. Efficient solar fountain pump, no need for electricity, taking advantage of solar energy. Unique design and multiple protection, with multiple water styles to decorate your garden. Wide use and easy access, ideal for small ponds and garden fountains. 1-year warranty and 100% satisfaction. Improve your garden sustainably with POPOSOAP. Add it to your shopping cart now.